Welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy for the problem solving session in chemistry, NEET chemistry. Topic today chosen is from chapter 12, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Question number 1. In the reaction CH3CN plus 2H gives X in the presence of HCl and ether, and X gives Y in the presence of boiling water. The term Y represent dash. Option A, acetaldehyde. Option B, ethanamine. C option, acetone. D option, dimethylamine. Let's move to second question. Which of the following compounds will give a yellow precipitate with iodine and alkali? A option, acetophenone. B option, methyl acetate. C option, acetamide. D option, 2-hydroxypropane. Let's move to question number 3. Consider the following reaction, that is benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride gives A in the presence of H2 and PDBaSO4. The product A is dash. Option A, C6H5CHO. B option, C6H5OH, that is alcohol group. C option, C6H5COCH3. D option, C6H5Cl. Let's move to question number 4. Iodoform test is not given by dash. Option A, ethanol. B option, ethanol. C option, 2-pentanone. D option, 3-pentanone. Let's move to question number 5. The oxidation of toluene with CrO3 in the presence of CH3CO twice O gives a product A, which on treatment with aqueous NaOH produces dash. Option A, C6H5COONA. B option, 2,4 diacetyl C option, C6H5CHO. D option, C6H5CO twice O. Let's move to question number 6. Which of the following represents the correct order of the acidity in the given compounds? A option, FCH2COOH is greater than CH3COOH greater than B or CH2COOH greater than ClCH2COOH. B option, B or CH2COOH greater than ClCH2COOH greater than FCH2COOH greater than CH3COOH. And C option, FCH2COOH, which is greater than ClCH2COOH greater than B or CH2COOH greater than CH3COOH. D option, CH3COOH greater than B or CH2COOH greater than ClCH2COOH greater than FCH2COOH. In halogen group, which one is having high acidity? That order you want to say. Let's move to last question. In a set of reactions, acetic acid yielded a product D, that is CH3COOH gives A in the presence of SOCl2, and from A to B gives in the presence of benzene anhydrous aluminum chloride, and B gives C in the presence of HCl, and C gives D in the presence of HOH, that is H2O. Structure of D would be dash. Option A, that is phenyl ring, which is coordinated with CH2CCOOH CH3OH. B option, phenyl ring coordinated with CCN CH3OH. C option, phenyl ring bonded with CH2COH CH3CN. D option, phenyl ring bonded with COH COOH CH3. Okay, thank you students. In next session, we will solve how to find the solution for this question. Thank you.